Hello everyone, I'm Morgana from Cooking Clean and Everything Between. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make Hotdog Brazilian Style. Keep watching for the ingredients. Olá pessoal, obrigada por estar aqui novamente. A receita de hoje é uma receita deliciosa e fácil de fazer e é cachorro quente. Continue assistindo para a lista de ingredientes. You will need 1 onion nicely chopped, 6 hot dogs cut in little pieces. Você vai precisar de uma cebola picada e 6 salsichas picadas. Bring a pan to a medium heat. Add the oil. When the oil is nice and warm, add your onions. Saute this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Em uma panela no fogo médio, acrescente o óleo, deixe o óleo ficar bem quentinho e acrescente as cebolas e frite a cebola. Add a half teaspoon of garlic. Acrescente meia colher de chá de alho e frite. Add a little bit of water so all that nice brown from the pan goes to the onion. Acrescente um pouquinho de água para que a cebola solte aquela corzinha da panela. Now, add the tomato sauce. Agora, acrescente o molho de tomate. Mix well, misture bem. Add the hot dogs. Acrescente as salsichas. Mix, misture. Add the pepper. Add the salt. Acrescente o sal e a pimenta. Mix, misture. I also add a half a cup of water to the mix. This is what it's supposed to look like at the end. Eu acrescentei meio copo de água e aqui é como o cachorro quente deve ficar. And here is how you build a Brazilian hot dog. Slice your bun. Spread mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, just skip this part. Add the hot dog sauce. Add the corn. Some Parmesan cheese. Ketchup. And homemade potato sticks. And here it is, guys, Brazilian hot dog. I hope you like this video. And like always, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe to my channel. I see you on the next one. Ciao!